morning students. Lesson 6, more about paint. Our today's topics are eraser, fill with color and text tools in paint. The eraser tool is used to clear out any part of the picture. This tool can be used in the following manner. In the tools group, click the eraser tool. This is the tools group. This is eraser tool. So click here, click the size option and then select a size for the eraser. From here, select the size of the eraser. Then bring the mouse pointer onto the drawing area. Then click and drag the mouse over the part that you want to erase. If I want to erase this part, then click and drag like this. So you can erase any part with the help of eraser. Like this you can erase with the help of eraser. Then next topic is fill with color tool. First I delete this. Then fill with color tool is used to fill a selected color in any closed shape. This provides an easy way to fill the entire shape with one color. So draw the shape as shown in figure 6.5, or you can draw any shape. We have also learned to draw these all shapes from here. So you can draw any shape. Then in the tools group, select the fill with color. This is the fill with color option. Then in the color group, click color 1. Click color 1 and select any color from here. Then bring the mouse pointer inside the one of the box, means any shape you have drawn, and click inside the shape to fill it with color. You can fill another rectangle with different colors in the same way. Because in your textbook in page number 67 there are many rectangles drawn, I also shown you how to draw these shapes which is given in figure 6.5. First of all select rectangle, then draw one big rectangle, then draw inside the rectangle like this. So here there are many rectangles drawn. And then you can use this fill with color option and select different colors from here. Color 1 red, then click here because we want to fill in this rectangle only, so click here. Then choose another color and then click inside the rectangle. Then choose another color again and choose inside the rectangle. Like this you can draw this shape. Then our next topic is text tool. You can use the text tool in paint to type text in a drawing. The steps to use these tools are: in the tools group, click the text tool. In the tools group, click this text tool option. Click in the drawing area where you want to add text. Like this. Notice that the text tab under the text tool tab appears in the main toolbar. This is the toolbar of the text tool. Then in the font group, select the font size and style. So these are the different fonts. So select any font from here. Then select the size from here. And then write in the box. In the color group, click color 1. You can also select color from here for the text. Then now just type the text here. Welcome to Windows 7 Professionals. You can also increase or decrease the size of this box. So like this. You can also change the box size. So like this you can add text in your drawing area. So children, practice this.